Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 969, and today's topic is the industrial manufacture of neoprene or GRM rubber. The raw materials for the manufacture of neoprene rubber are acetylene and hydrochloric acid. First, acetylene is purified by treating it with concentrated sulfuric acid so that all the impurities along with the chances or possibilities of ethylene is removed, and then it is treated with copper chloride and it is converted into vinyl acetylene, and that vinyl acetylene is again converted into by treating it copper chloride into chloroprene unit, and this chloroprene unit is polymerized in the form of neoprene rubber. Neoprene rubber is very similar to natural rubber and it is resistant to oxidation even in presence of oxygen and ozone atmosphere. It is soluble in some of the solvents, and it is similar in physical and chemical properties like natural rubber. So here I have given how the neoprene or GRM rubber is manufactured industrially. So number one, the raw materials for the manufacture of neoprene are acetylene and hydrochloric acid. Acetylene is purified by washing it in concentrated sulfuric acid. The pure acetylene that is free of ethylene is dimerized in presence of cuprous chloride, that is CuCl, to vinyl acetylene. This acetylene, when it is treated with copper cuprous chloride, you will get vinyl acetylene. Some divinyl acetylene is also formed during this reaction. And it is necessary to separate divinyl acetylene immediately as an immiscible oil, which can otherwise be violently active. So here the divinyl acetylene has to be removed, otherwise its violent reaction will be there. And here two molecules of acetylene, CH, triple bond CH, cuprous chloride will give you CH2CH, and C, triple bond CH, that is called vinyl acetylene unit. And the undue formation of divinyl acetylene is avoided by rapidly sweeping the acetylene gas through a catalyst solution. So here actually acetylene is in gaseous form. So in order to avoid the formation of divinyl derivative, we have quickly sweep the acetylene gas and through the catalyst solution, which is consisting of concentrated solution of cuprous chloride and ammonium chloride at room temperature. If I say room temperature means it is 25 to 30 degree centigrade. The vinyl acetylene comes out as gas overhead, and vinyl acetylene is passed in gaseous form through a solution of cuprous chloride, that is 25 parts of cuprous chloride, in concentrated hydrochloric acid as 30 degrees centigrade temperature to form chloroprene. So in this way, how chlorination will take place in presence of hydrochloric acid and cuprous chloride, that is vinyl acetylene, will be converted into chloroprene, and that polymerization or dimerization of chloroprene will give you neoprene. And the above reaction is carefully controlled to check the formation of dichloro 2-butadiene by addition of more hydrochloric acid. So number 2, that is in continuation, the chloropene what we have obtained will be in vapor form, is mixed with hydrochloric acid gas, is allowed to cool when chloropene which has boiling point 59 degrees centigrade condenses to a liquid and HCl gas is reused. The emulsion polymerization of chloropene at 30 degrees centigrade temperature gives neoprene unit. So this is your neoprene unit, and this neoprene unit we are getting at 30 degrees centigrade temperature by emulsion polymerization. Number 3, the liquid chloropene is mixed with a small quantity of paraquinone in order to stabilize it. And the chloropene unit is polymerized at 40 degrees centigrade temperature to neoprene rubber. To neoprene rubber. The neoprene is separated by coagulation, and the coagulation is carried out by freezing on the surface of the drum, that is cool drum, and the film formed on the drum is removed, washed with water and dried at 120 degrees centigrade temperature. It forms elastomer, and this is the polymerized form of neoprene rubber. How these polymers are found in long chain with multiple neoprene unit. Number 4, the properties of neoprene rubber. A, neoprene is closely related to natural rubber. B, it is resistant to oxidizing agent like oxygen and ozone. Number 3, the C, it is resistant of vegetable oil and mineral oil like petroleum. D, it is soluble in polar solvent. E, it is not attacked by alkalis. H, it can be vulcanized, and vulcanized neoprene rubber is extremely resistant to oxidative degradation. I, the general physical properties of neoprene rubber can be enhanced by compounding it with metallic oxide like magnesium oxide and zinc oxide. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.